Hey everyone, today is Vlogmas day 16 and I will be taking you guys along with me as I pack for my toddler for the week that we are gone. My toddler will make a lot of appearances and so will my dogs. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy that for a few minutes, and then towards the end will be other non-clothes stuff that I packed for her. Alright, so this is what I packed for Adriana. Everything I have right here is in her suitcase is like clothes. This is the blanket that we use when we're downstairs in the family room, so figured this would be something nice and comfortable from home that we could bring. In this container we have a sweater, her tutu, her play makeup from the Dollar Tree. It's not really play makeup, it's real makeup. I have this bag of all of her medications and how much of it she takes. She has her bubblegum toothpaste, a Hello Kitty toothbrush, and then there are her diapers and wipes. We get them from Aldi. They're so much more inexpensive and they're really good. Her jammies and her jacket that she'll wear when we bring her there tonight. Her diaper bag, which I love, with all her regular stuff in it. Cheese fries, because her and my husband are obsessed with them, so bring them. Some bread, and I brought some food. And her cup, her vitamins, just some stuff that she uses a lot. And then I have some more fresh food that I'll bring, that I'll put in there when it comes closer to when we're gonna leave. Like I have some blueberries, some cucumbers, tomatoes, some fresh fruit and veggies. But yeah, I feel like she has more stuff than we do going on this little vacation. She's just staying with my mother-in-law. But yeah, so that is what we're packing for her. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day.